need to do something besides asking questions. Okay. What do you want to do? Want to do the biggest burp contest? Yeah. Alright. Burping contest! Hey, I need something to drink. Okay, we're gonna have a burping contest instead of asking questions, because asking questions about us is boring. So hello, we're losers. Yeah, go give me something to drink. Oh, I did the salt mine challenge, and I think the little thingy went away. It was horrible. It was horrible. It was horrible. Here's your own sun drop. Diet sun drop. Alright, we're having burp contest. Ready? The reason, like, now that you have to burp, I can't burp. Alright, ready? I gotta see what I'm up against. 2, 3. Oh, I can't burp right now. I can't either. I can't drink a sun drop so fast, it's gonna make me want to throw up. Okay, I'm gonna try. I can't want to burp right there. I can't either. I remember that one girl that, like, she, like, got some, like, oh. That was so gross. Yeah, your turn. I can't burp.